Hello everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, take a hair clip and then attach it on the middle. Now take the smaller section from both the sides, roll it and then attach it. Now divide the remaining hairs into two sections and then make the braids on both the sides. Now attach it nicely on both the sides with the help of the hair clip or the hairpin. It will be looking like this and then it's all done. For the next one, take the section of your hair and then roll it nicely and then attach the hair clip. Now take the smaller sections and then attach it as shown in the video and then it's all done. For the next one, make a ponytail and then make the half braid out of it and then take the remaining hairs, tie it nicely and pull it inside out. Now fix your hair very properly as shown in the video and then fix it nicely with the help of a hairpin. It will be looking like this and then accessorize it nicely and then it's all done. For the next one, make a ponytail and then take a hair clip and then do it as shown in the video. Turn it over very nicely and fix it properly. Now take the remaining hairs, tie it nicely with the help of the elastic and then make the small bun out of it and then it's all done. For the next one, make a ponytail and then take a hair clip and then attach it nicely all upside down. Now take the remaining hairs and then divide the hairs into two sections and then make a bun out of it. It's done. For the next one, tie your hairs nicely, pull it inside out and then take the remaining hairs and start making the bun out of it, accessorize it. It's all done. Thanks for watching.